These are the steps to install the Live Server extension in Visual Studio Code. First step is to start Visual Studio Code. We'll be installing the extension from within Code. So first start it up. When you start it up, you'll have the standard window, and you're going to click on the extensions action bar. This is the action bar, and extensions is this icon right here. Click on it, and you'll have a search bar up here. Type in Live Server and wait a second, and you'll see there are several different Live Server or other extensions that have the word live or server in them. You're going to want to choose this first one. It has the logo like you see on our Getting Started page, and it has the developer name of Ritwick Day. So this is the one you want to choose. Don't install any of these other ones because some of them may behave differently or may not work at all. So find this one. It's very popular, so it should be the first one if you search for Live Server. Click the Install button. Wait a few seconds, and now it's installed.